Welcome to Maths online classes. Today topic multiplication of integers. Here in this presentation we are going to discuss about the multiplication of integers. So next basic of multiplication. The multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. For example, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, which is 4 times 3, that is equal to 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Using number line, this is number line, 0 from right side positive integers and 0 from left side negative integers. Zero from right side, 0 to 3, 3 to 6, 3 to 9, 9 to 12, that is equal to, answer is 12. Okay, next, same model, 4 into minus 3, that is equal to minus 3 plus of minus 3 plus of minus 3 plus of minus 3, that is equal to 4 into minus 3 is equal to minus 12. Using number line, 0 from left side, 0 plus of minus 3 minus 3, minus 3 plus of minus 3 minus 6, minus 6 plus of minus 3 minus 9, minus 9 plus of minus 3 minus 12, that is equal to, answer is minus 12. Okay. Similarly, 5 into minus 4 is equal to minus 4 plus of minus 4 plus of minus 4 plus of minus 4 plus of minus 4, that is equal to minus 20. Using number line, 0 from left side, 0 to minus 4, minus 4 plus of minus 4 minus 8, minus 8 plus of minus 4 minus 12, minus 12 plus of minus 4 minus 16, minus 16 plus of minus 4 minus 20, that is equal to, answer is minus 20. Okay, next, multiplying integers rules. Plus into plus is equal to plus. Next condition, minus into minus is equal to plus. Third condition, plus into minus, that is equal to minus. Next, fourth one, minus into plus is equal to minus. This is multiplying integers rules. Okay, right. For example, find the value of first one, 15 into 5 is equal to plus 15 into plus 5 is equal to plus into plus plus 15 5s are 75. Second one, minus 35 into minus 11, that is equal to minus into minus plus 35 into 11, thirty-five into 11 is equal to 1 5 is 5. Next, 1 3 is 3. Next, 10th place, 1 into 5 5. Next, 1 into 3 3, that is equal to 5. 3 plus 5 8 3. Answer is minus into minus plus 385. Okay, right. Next, third one, minus 5 into plus 12, that is equal to minus into plus is equal to minus 5 12s are 16. Sorry, 60. 5 12s are 60. Next, 96 into minus 20, that is equal to 96 into first 2, that is equal to 2 6 are 12, remainder 1. Next, 2 9s are 18 plus 1 19. 1 0 add, 1 0 add. Answer is minus 1920. Next, fourth one, 999 into 0 is equal to 0. Any numbers into 0 is equal to 0. Okay, right. Next, a fruit seller sold 5 kg of mangoes at a profit of rupees 15 per kg and 3 kg of apples at a loss of rupees 30 per kg. Find whether it is a profit or loss. Okay, right. Solution. Profit of 1 kg mangoes is equal to rupees 15. Next, profit of 5 kg mangoes is equal to 15 into 5. 15 into 5. That is equal to rupees 15 paisa 75. Okay. Next, loss of 1 kg apples is equal to rupees 30. Next condition, loss of 3 kg apples is equal to 30 into 3 is equal to rupees 30 into 3 is equal to 300. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. That is equal to rupees 90. Therefore, loss is equal to 90 minus 75. That is equal to rupees 15. Rupees 15. Next one. Okay, next. Example 1.15. Browsing rates in a internet center is rupees 15 per hours. Nila works on the internet for 2 hours in a day for 5 days in a week. How much does she pay? Okay. Next, solution. Number of hours spent on an internet for 1 day is equal to 2 hours. Therefore, number of hours spent on the internet for 5 days is equal to 5 into 2. That is equal to 5 2s are 10. 10 hours. Okay. Next, cost of browsing per hour is equal to rupees 15. Next, the cost of browsing for 10 hours is equal to 15 into 10 is equal to rupees 150. Therefore, the amount paid by Nila for 5 days is equal to rupees 150. Okay.